How long now you stay there? How long now you stay there?
All the years I'm talking about them now. All the years, so they have six.
Guys, I'm up to the river mouth right now.
Out here, man, out here, do the right thing.
Guys, and we just want to take this time out to thank everybody again for all the support, all the well wishes, man. Poor over there, life at Jamaica. Man, hard fish in Jamaica, they are same way. I don't know, fishing world. Yeah, man, I one team, you know, guys, one team. Yeah, man, so I gotta go now update straight, man, as long as it's possible. Yeah, man, so I just go and stay tuned. It's a journey where I come out of the sea. Hot already. I'm gonna start getting harder. Look at this already. Imagine when the rain starts right here, guys. My journey full of water. Full. Let's get you here. I'm going to some more updates. Really, I take place right here now in Jamaica. Guys, I'm going to live update again.
Yeah, go watch out.
Yeah, the team outside are getting up peeps. Guys, right now we don't have no electricity as it stands, you know. Come on. No electricity. I try to make get an update. See where only hoping that the phone service no go down. Guys, start get a whole heap of rain already. A lot of rain from last night. But the river then come down very heavy. Very heavy. Not sure if you can see my distance, but the river water they all the way out in the sea. The last news on it here. So if you look out, it's 15-foot wave from the sea, so we have to keep the eye open for that. Keep the eye open. So stay tuned, guys, for more updates. When I cast life, I worry about it. Finish what I need to do. Then they can build back. Don't worry about fish pot. Of course. See, then they can build back. As long as I work good. You catch up and you have to look for millions of dollars and all that on. Right. You buy one more wire. Right now, the fishing company that still can put in the work. In the front.
I'm not going to move. You want me to go while I'm on top of them.
Guys, so we have fish.
Yeah, man, 5 6 ton, 5 go to the sky, jump water apart. How much the road the water out there. After I go to the sprinkler.
How long now you stay there? How long now you stay there?
All the years I'm talking about them now. All the years, so they have 60 years now.
Sorry.
Can't go to them. Can't go to them.
Guys, in basically I say, one building you for the year so, concrete in the water. And basically I say a hurricane come in and destroy the building. Concrete is still out in the water, so big concrete. I'm not sure if you can see them, but a few right here is about 4 pieces. A little out of the water. And it's a hurricane with that, guys. Most of the boat they move up already. I'll go one leave, cause up here is the beach house. Just one boat leave, guys. We done secure our boat them already. But we just hope and pray same way. So we don't get a devastating hit on the hurricane. So we'll move to our next location and do now, guys, some more updates. So just stay tuned. Yeah man, guys, morning and welcome back again. Yeah man, we are doing now, guys, another update this morning. Because the weather our side in Portland here, in West Portland, is not really bad as yet. Yeah man, so we are doing now, guys, a little update of what takes place right now. But the only good thing, we don't have no electricity. Yeah man, the current going from I think about after 1 AM this morning. Yeah man, just hopefully we have phone service. So you upload the video, you know guys see what I'm going. Yeah man, right now we are heading down to the river mouth. Because the river come down real heavy. Heavy this morning. So I go down there right now and do now guys an update. I want to take place down there. So just stay tuned.
Yeah man, we're there, giving a live update, live update. Outside, I'm posted a harbor, just get
That is it, please. Guys, the rain come down heavy. Rain heavy on our face. Look at the sky white. We start to have a little breeze now. We start to get a little breeze on our feet. Yeah. Guys, are just there, I go and brace same way. So I go and brace till the impact arrive, you know. But there, I hope and pray same way, you know, guys. Yeah, man, because I know me always I set up some prayer, you know. Yeah, man, always. See what I'm here. See ya bounce hard. Big wave, guys, big wave. The rain is falling really hard right now, really hard. A lot of rain. That's beautiful, look at this. And the river water, this you know guys. Right here. Normally I land there right here. You know, the river is deep. The river come down heavy. We have a lot of rain from last night. A lot of rain. And this used to be dry land, so you know the main part of the river over that side. You know, the river really heavy. And but I can move to the main part now. I'm not going to see what I go on guys. Right here where I walk right now. Normally this is a pass. See here, river. And look how deep the river goes, almost up on my knee. I go on Jamaica right now in Portland. Right now in West Portland here. And it's supposed to get the rain. And when we are here from the weather, the rain here. More than rain than this. So that's why the flash flood warning in effect. Man, so all of the Jamaican people them who live on the lowland them and at the flood prone area them. Yeah, man, if you have to evacuate please from now before it get any worse. Got that guys. Holy power attack. Come down the river. Wide. Guys, I'm down to the river mouth right now. The river heavy. Right now, anybody dropping on this river, trust me, I'm sorry for them. The river really heavy on the mouth. Wide. not a good look. Not a good look, babe. You can see the river run out to this here, so now. Really heavy. So massive wave. Guys, we're down at the river mouth right now. We're going to some live footage of what going on in the peeps. Yeah, man. Live, and the whole team.
Out here, man. Out here, do the right thing.
The river now, this is wide.
The SSG crew there with the government. See government there. The SSG crew with the government there.
Yeah, man, the outside. And guys, we out here are just doing some live update of what take place. As long as it don't get too bad, man, we are going outside, see them, we are going to update them. So just go and stay tuned for that. And remember, we there pray for ourselves same way. Although this time not reach the right way yet, but hopefully we turn back. Yeah, man, and thanks for all the prayers all the guys are sent out and all the well wishes. We really appreciate it. Yeah, guys, so we out here the same way now, guys. Man, the rain kind of eased down a bit. Man, so right now, maybe we try to go to one different spot and make you guys see what I'm going. As long as we can do it, we're going to do it. I want to say again, guys, thanks for all the prayers, thanks for all the well wishes. Yeah, man, we really appreciate it. On the behalf of the whole Jamaica. Yeah, man, the whole Jamaica appreciate the prayers, guys. Yeah. We're still here at this part of Portland here in West Portland. Still I hope and pray for the best because some section of the island start to be affected already. We have a lot of breeze and rain already. Guys, unfortunately yesterday, I think yesterday, 3 life was lost. They were making preparations for the storm. I heard that they fell out of a tree. Man, they fell out of a tree and make preparations, so that is so sad. Man, so I want to say condolences to those family. Yeah, man. You out here see them with your peeps. Yeah, so that's going right there now. And that is not taking the place. So guys, I know the scheme this, you know, guys. Scheme this start full of water already. Man, scheme what that. Water the dirt through that couldn't be hen. Yeah, so here I take time head back in. Take time head back in too. Man, so now just stay tuned. If we have any more updates, I'll show you now, guys. I'll make you get it, alright? So just go and stay tuned.